In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address in your Facebook. First, you need to click the three lines in the upper right and then click Settings. In Settings, you see Account Center. See more in Account Center. After that, you need to click Personal Details and then go to Contact Information and press Add New Contact. Add email and add your Facebook and other accounts to link. After that, you need to wait for the confirmation code. Click Next. And you're done. You successfully changed your primary email in Facebook. Thank you, and I hope that helps.